Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do something that I haven't done on my channel before. It's going to be a quick little unboxing. Let me go ahead and hide my address. So this is the box and this is what I'm going to be unboxing for you guys today. I picked up about 4 items. I'm not sure. I think it was 4. So I thought, I was like, hey, why not come on here and show you guys what I got since I haven't done an unboxing. So let's get right into the video. So I went online and I had purchased this set from there, which is like their marbles. Oh, not the Luxie brushes. The BH Cosmetics, which is like the marble collection. And I got them again because Daisy Marquez said that they were good. So your girl had to buy them. And then I went back on because she said that another brush set was good. So I was like, girl, you're taking my money. So I was like, if Daisy says it's good, it's good. Okay. So I went ahead and I bought 2 sets of brushes. And I believe when you spend a certain amount or more, you get like a free palette, I think it is. And then I got something else free. I'm actually not too sure. So when you open it up, it says, exploring a new discovery, introducing the newest star in her galaxy. So, oh, okay. And then it says what it is. I guess they have like a new line. So, moving on. So the first thing is this set right here. This is the Aurora Lights 10-piece brush set with cosmetics bag. So this is the one that she said, of course, if you guys watch Daisy Marquez, you guys know that she said it, that she loved it because it's her favorite color, Tiffany blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Oh my gosh, this bag is so cute. So it comes with like a little cosmetic bag so you can put your brush. Honestly, I needed one of these because every single time, not every single time, but the times that I do go out and I do spend the night at like somebody's house or whatever, girl, let me tell you, it is a struggle having to pack my makeup. So this is really, really good because I feel like it will fit all my brushes on here, honestly. So this is the, I'm gonna go ahead and move this aside. So this is the brush set right here. Again, it comes with 10 brushes. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna name them. So number 1 is a powder brush, number 2 is a tapered blush brush, number 3 is an angled contour brush, number 4 is a large blending brush, number 5 is a blending brush, 6 is a blending crease brush, 7 is a dense shader brush, 8 is an angled definer brush, 9 is a tapered tip shader brush, and 10 is a detailing pencil brush. Honestly, you can never have too many brushes because I'm going to show you guys the brushes that I have right now. So these are the brushes that I have right now, and honestly, you can never have too much. Yes, I know I need to wash them, but I just wanted to go ahead and quickly show you guys. And I think, honestly, what's good about having a lot of brushes is if, like, one's dirty, you have new ones. So I'm really excited to try these out because the last brush set that I got, they were really, oh yeah, these are really, really soft as well. So I'm really excited to try these out. Again, I have to wash them before I use them. Please don't use your brushes when you just get them, like wash them. No sean cochinas, por favor. So yeah, this is the first little item that I got. Again, this little packaging is so cute. And then the second thing that I got was this crystal quartz 12-piece brush set with cosmetic case. Oh, another case. I'm gonna have cases for days. So this one is more pink, and I think the handle is more white. So this one comes with 12. It comes with a deluxe powder brush, a large rounded bronzing brush, a rounded buffing brush, a flat contour brush, large blending brush, a tapered blending brush, a domed blending brush, buffing blender brush, eye shader brush, pencil brush, flat concealer brush, and an angled brow brush. Good, because I needed a new brow brush. Oh my god, this one is so freaking cute. Look at this. It's like holographic, kind of. I feel like a lot of the holographic has been in lately, and I am living for it. So again, you open it up, and here are the brushes. Yeah. So it's like, ooh. So again, you open it up, and the brushes are inside. These are so cute. So these are kind of like these. I mean, this one's dirty, but you can't really see like the color. But it was kind of like this, like the white, like the black and then the white. Oh my god, these are so soft. So I know for sure I'm going to be loving the, oh my god. I'm telling you guys, if you guys do not have BH Cosmetics first, you guys are living under a tree. So this one kind of reminds me of this one, just a little bit smaller, I feel like. So this one's a little bit shorter than this one. But you can never, like I said, you can never have too many brushes. So I'm just going to put this back in here and move on to the next two products. So the next two products, they're not brushes, so I can go ahead and swatch them for you guys. They did not want me to get in here. Okay, so the next palette that I got is this. It's my Ray Ray BH Cosmetics 21 color eyeshadow highlighter and contour palette. The packaging, it looks like this. Really, really cute. I like the gold with the pink. I think these colors are really, really nice together. So this is what it looks like when you take out the packaging. So you open it up. I had seen this one before, and I don't know why I never wanted to get it, but ooh, these are really, really nice colors. So I do really, really love how it comes. Oh, hi guys. So I really do like how it comes with the mirror. So these are the shades in the palette. So I like how there's more of the neutral matte shades, and then down here all the shimmer shades, which I absolutely really, really love. And then down here we have 3 highlighters right here, and then we have 3 contour shades. I think I'm gonna end up using this one right here. I like how they have like one for light complexion, medium complexion, and then a darker complexion. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna swatch out a couple. Actually, I'm not gonna swatch anything. If you guys want me to do a look using this palette only, then let me know. Even if you guys don't want me to, I probably will still do it. Just because this is a really, really nice palette, because you have kind of everything in one. You got your eyeshadow, your highlighter, and your bronzer. So again, this is what the palette looks like. Okay, I have to swatch one. I'm gonna swatch one of the highlights. No, I'm gonna swatch an eyeshadow. I'm gonna swatch the shade Allison. Ooh, they're really creamy. I'm gonna go ahead and okay, so I will definitely have to do a look using this one. Whoa, how did this? Okay, and then now the last palette. This is the one that I got for free, and this is the Black Light Highlight 6 color palette. So it looks like this. Honestly, I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it. If the shades are nice, then I will use it. But let's see. Why don't you want to come out, sir? And then you get again, it comes with a large mirror, which is really, really great. So it comes with these 6 shades. This one is more of a like champagne color. This one's more of a green highlight. I know you guys can't see it probably. This one's more of a blue, white on point. Sorry. This one's more of a kind of mauve pink. This one's more of a baby pink. Again, I'm not sure if you guys can see the pigment of those. Right there, you guys can see a little bit. So honestly, I feel like the only ones that I would probably wear are these 2. Again, I have to give them a shot. If not, I will probably give them away to somebody in my family or do like a giveaway. I'm not really too sure. But yeah, that's the palette. So I definitely will do a look using the It's My Ray Ray palette, because that one honestly was super, super nice. But yeah, that was pretty much it for my unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you guys on the next one.